Greetings to all of you. My name is Ronak Sharma from class 11th A from Geetawal Bharti Senior Secondary School.
My name is Dhruv Sharma. I am from class 12th A from Geetawal Bharti Senior Secondary School. Today we are going to present our project on ECG measurement system using Arduino Uno, 3 electrode system and ECG sensor module.
And pulse rate monitoring system using Arduino Uno and pulse sensor. Let us first talk about the pulse rate monitoring system. The main purpose of this monitoring system to measure the person's heartbeat in real life with low cost electronic setup. Let me start with the components I used: an Arduino Uno and pulse sensor, some jumper wires and an USB cable. Let's talk about the working process. I have uploaded a simple program using the Arduino IDE. The pulse sensor is connected to analog pin A0 on the Arduino. The Arduino reads the analog data from the pulse sensor. It filters the signals and counts the peaks, which represents heartbeats. Finally, it calculates the BPM and prints it on the serial monitor. To demonstrate, when I place my finger on the sensor, the LED on the pulse sensor starts blinking with each heartbeat. In a few seconds, the serial monitor shows my heart rate. For example, 116 BPM. This project is useful in many areas like fitness devices, basic health checkups, and stress monitoring. It also helps students to learn about biosignals and electronics together. I will insert this sensor in the smartwatches and connect this to the smartphones via Bluetooth.
Now I will discuss about an ECG measurement system. ECG stands for electrocardiogram. It is a method to record the electrical activity of the heart. With this project, we can visually monitor the heart rhythm and detect abnormalities in heartbeat pattern. Now I will show you the connection setup of this project. ECG module output pin goes to analog AO pin. In ECG module, ground and 3.3 or 5 volt goes to Arduino ground 3.3 or 5 volt. Three electrodes connected to the ECG sensor RA, LA and RL pins. Now I will show you how it's work. The electrodes are attached to the body, one on right wrist, one on left wrist, one on right elbow. They pick up tiny electrical signal from the heart. These signals are very weak, so we use ECG sensor module to amplify and filter these signal. It then sends the proceed signal to the Arduino through the analog pin AO. The Arduino reads this analog signal, and when we open the serial plotter in the Arduino IDE, we can see the ECG waveform, those familiar P, QRS and T waves in real time. This project is useful for learning about human psychology, electronics and biomedical signal processing. This project is also used in sports and fitness industry to examine the performance of athletes and in drug testing and researching.
Thank you for watching our video.